How does invisible mode detection work?
Hello and welcome to today's video. In this video, we will be discussing how invisible mode detection works. Have you ever wondered how certain applications or devices can detect if someone is using an invisible or offline mode? Well, let's dive into it and find out.
Understanding invisible mode.
Before we can explore how invisible mode detection works, let's first understand what invisible mode is. Invisible mode, often referred to as offline mode or incognito mode, is a feature found in various applications, messaging platforms, or social media platforms. When someone activates invisible mode, it essentially hides their online presence from others, making it appear as if they are offline or unavailable.
Detecting invisible mode.
Now, let's discuss how invisible mode detection works. Detecting whether someone is in invisible mode involves analyzing various indicators and behaviors. While the exact methods may vary depending on the platform or application, there are a few common techniques used for invisible mode detection. Technique 1. Last seen status. One of the most straightforward methods of detecting invisible mode is by monitoring the last seen status. When someone is using invisible mode, their last seen status may not be updated or may show an extended period since their last activity. This inconsistency can be an indication that the person is in invisible mode. Technique 2. Online status indicators. Many platforms display online status indicators, such as a green dot or an active status, next to a user's profile picture. When someone is in invisible mode, these indicators may not appear or may show them as offline, even if they are actively using the platform. This discrepancy can be a clue for invisible mode detection. Technique 3. Message delivery and read receipts. In some messaging applications, when someone sends a message to a user in invisible mode, the delivery status or read receipt may not be displayed or may be delayed. This behavior can be used to infer that the person is in invisible mode, as their messages are not being processed or acknowledged in the usual manner. Technique 4. API and network analysis. Certain platforms or applications provide APIs, application programming interfaces, that allow developers to interact with their services. By utilizing these APIs and analyzing network traffic, it is possible to gather information about a user's online status, even if they are in invisible mode. This method requires more technical expertise and is typically employed by platform developers.
Limitations and workarounds.
While invisible mode detection techniques can be effective, it is important to note that they are not foolproof. Some users may find ways to circumvent or manipulate these detection methods. For example, they may use third-party applications or modify their device settings to appear offline while still being active on the platform. Additionally, platform updates and advancements in technology may require continuous adaptation of invisible mode detection mechanisms. Developers need to stay vigilant and keep improving their methods to ensure accurate detection. In conclusion, invisible mode detection involves analyzing various indicators and behaviors to determine if someone is using invisible mode on a platform or application. Techniques such as monitoring last seen status, online status indicators, message delivery and read receipts, and API and network analysis are commonly used for this purpose. However, it's important to remember that these methods have limitations and can be bypassed. As technology continues to evolve, invisible mode detection techniques will need to adapt and improve to maintain their effectiveness. We hope this video has provided you with a better understanding of how invisible mode detection works. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.